Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have very exciting news. My Jean doll and I have been invited by Beth Ramsden to a big deal Oscar Academy Awards ceremony for dolls. And the idea is we're going to dress our dolls in glamour outfits. And I have some ideas, but I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. On the 18th of March, Beth Ramsden, J Dolls UK, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly and I will be showing you our outfits that we have come up with for the event. Beth will be asking for participation from the audience on this one, and you can go to her channel and learn more. Each of us today will have a short video, and then we will have a make and reveal of our outfits on the 18th of March. On the 27th, there's a special event you will not want to miss. I absolutely love these Jean dolls. They, look at that figure, just gorgeous. Absolutely love these dolls. So I need to come up with a outfit, to design an outfit, and I want something, I think, like these two. I don't know, something like this. And I'm not hating this or this, and if all else fails, what I really wanted was a slit up the side, but with this being open in the front, it changes things. So what will I do? I'll have to decide. Please also visit the other channels in this collab, Beth, Tammy, and Jay. Their descriptions will be listed below. And please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, not only here, but to all four.